My car is parked outside, I'm afraid it doesn't work. I'm looking for a partner, someone who gets things fixed. Ask yourself this question, do you want other looks? Let's make lots of money. You've got the brawn, I've got the brains. Let's make lots of money. I'm educated, I studied at the Sorbonne. Doctored in mathematics, I could have been a don. I can program a computer, choose the perfect time. If you've got the information, I have got the crime. There's lots of opportunities if you know where to take them, you know. There's lots of opportunities if there aren't, you can make them. I've got the brains, you've got the looks. Let's make lots of money. Let's make lots of money. I'm single-minded, I know what I could be. How do you feel about it? Come take a walk with me. I'm looking for a partner, regardless of expense. Think about it seriously, you know it makes sense. That would make sense.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh, Shawnee. Come on, Shawnee. He'll do it. Yeah!